Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you get notified on every videos that we post. So as you all know that we just came back from our road trip, and after coming back we realized that for backing up our videos we were short of hard disk. I already have one portable hard disk of 2 TB, and there is one more which is around 4 or 5 years old, again that is of 2 TB. So I have 4 TB of drive space. But genuinely these hard disks do not last for long. I mean, ideally the life of a typical hard disk drive is around 3 to 5 years. If you're very lucky, it might last up to 8 years, but you can't risk. So most of my videos are in a 2 TB hard disk as of now. So I just realized that what if that hard disk conks off, and in that case I have no other backup. So I went on Amazon and searched for a few hard disks, and I got a good deal which is a 5 TB. So I got it for around 9,500. Now the best part is, what I'm planning to do is, I have this 2 TB hard disk, two sets of 2 TB hard disk, and this 5 TB hard disk. So what I plan to do is, I'll copy everything from those two hard disks onto this hard disk, and for regular basis I'll manage those two hard disks. Maybe after every 4 to 6 months I'll update this hard disk. So basically this hard disk will act as a backup of those hard disks. So there'll be a dual backup. Just in case if something goes wrong with those two hard disks or one of the hard disks, I still have some content left here. So let me unbox this and show you guys how does it look. So that's the hard disk. It's a one touch with password protection feature. I'm not sure if that is required, but I'll see if I can configure it and use it. This is a bulky one. I mean, the earlier one that I had, 2 TB, was a thin size hard disk, but this is quite thick. It's almost double. I mean, the 2 TB hard disk is half of this, and this is double. This is silver. I thought it would have been blue because the box shows it blue, but surprisingly it's silver, which is not a bad color at all. And this is the cable that you get, USB to Type-C. And to connect this to a mobile, you might need a adapter. I have one adapter as a spare connector. I'll just show you, connect this to my mobile and show it to you. So this is a adapter that you require. This is a Type-C connector which goes into your phone, and you put this USB cable that comes with it into this adapter. This adapter, you put it in your mobile, and then just wait for a few seconds before you start seeing the USB drive. It might take a couple of seconds because this is 5 TB. Till the mobile understands and reads it, it might take a couple of minutes to show it. So now here you go. That's the USB mass storage, 4.55 TB. See. So the hard disk is connected. Now I'll plan to move all my data to this hard disk. And do not forget to unmount this before you disconnect. So you click on this and click on unmount. Only after you unmount then you can remove this cable. So that's it, guys. Do keep coming back to our channel and do like our videos and keep sharing them with your friends and colleagues. That's how you'll encourage us. Thank you so much. Goodbye.